Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be resetting your PlayStation 5 to factory settings. That means everything's going to be wiped clean, your ID, nothing, your games, nothing's going to be here anymore. So that's the point of this. So what we have to do is go all the way to the top and you're going to see your settings. Just go right into your settings. In your settings, you're going to go down until you see system. Under system, just scroll to the right, all the way down, reset options. Under reset options, you're just gonna select reset your console. Now once again, this is to reset everything, so delete everything from your PlayStation 5. If you just want to restore your factory settings, just your settings, your default settings, then just press this second option. But to delete everything, you do need to go into reset your console. So we're gonna press there, and this will give you a warning that everything's gonna be deleted, which includes your users, everything basically. So let's go ahead and do that, reset, and it will give you another warning. This is resetting to factory settings. So this will reset it to be like brand new, like when you just got it, that's it. That's what it's gonna do. You can back out at any point by pressing no. So once you press yes, you can go on and it's just gonna restart your PlayStation 5. It's gonna delete everything. If you are selling your PlayStation or maybe you're returning it, that's why you're doing this. This is the right thing to do, because this will delete everything from your PlayStation 5. You don't have to worry about anything. What you're gonna see on your screen right now is just a black screen, and that's because your PlayStation's just gonna be glowing at the moment since it's doing this factory reset. And as mentioned before, you are just gonna see everything back to factory settings. So it's gonna restart just like it was when you got it brand new. You're gonna see the whole setup where you're gonna see your controller and all that stuff. But after you're done, you see your controller on the screen, which tells you to hook it up to your PlayStation. You can go ahead and just hold on to the power button on your PlayStation and just turn it off. So just hold on to it until it turns off. It's going to tell you preparing to turn off PlayStation, and that's it. Just hold on to it until it fully turns off and you're done with the factory reset. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.